This is our target. A simple lock, a glass lock. I'll practice using this. And this is all the tools. My pen, a fine metal pen with the metal strip on this side, and the paper clips or metal wire, and this is my cutter tool. And I just removed the plate from the pen, and you see this is turning tool. Will be the tool for turning the key. I try to make him better shape with and remove the small plastic on the point and bend them. And this is the pen actually. It will be like this, and I will cut the wire metal. Yep, like this. That's all the tool I need to open the key. And now we're ready for the action.